Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to your spelling test for Sort 47P. Please listen as I say each word and carefully type it in the box. Then choose the pattern. You can listen to this screencast as many times as you need so that you can hear all the words. Number 1, ale. When you're sick, you might drink ginger ale. Ale. Number 2, ate. My dog ate my homework. Ate. Number 3, daze. When you're tired, you might walk around in a daze. Daze. Number 4, hare. When the tortoise and the hare had a race, which animal won? Hare. Number 5, made. I made you a coconut cake. Made. Number 6, pail. Fill your pail with seashells at the beach. Pail. Number 7, pain. If you fall down, you might be in pain. Pain. Number 8, plain. Some kids like to eat plain noodles with no sauce. Plain. 9, sail. You could sail across the ocean to France. Sail. And number 10, there. Where did the purple table put their materials box? There. You can listen to this screencast as many times as you need to hear all of the words.